Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. So back to school is just around the corner, and even I finished my school years ago, I decided to show you a few DIY projects for back to school season. I personally didn't like going to school, and it's not because I don't like to learn. I even love to learn new things and I tried to read something every single day. It was more about the pressure from my parents and teachers. So basically, most of the time, I was really stressed. And now, if I could turn back the time, I probably would take everything more relaxing and just enjoy the time when you don't have to go to work and pay your bills. Anyway, so in this video, I want to inspire you to create your own school supplies so you can stand out from the crowd and you have your own like a unique and personalized items. So good thing about all of this project is that you don't even have to be in school age to use them. They can be used by adults and they super cute addition to your daily life. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the first project. To start with this project, you need craft A5 paper notebook. Mine is clear inside. I like to sketch some of my ideas and keep them in one place, but it's entirely up to you what kind of notebook you will go for. Also, you will need sketch of the design you want to embroider on your notebook. It can be drawn by you or just printed. Then I secure the sketch to the notebook cover so it won't move. Using needle, I'm making holes which go through the sketch and notebook cover. You can see the black dots I've made on sketch. They are just showing me where to make the hole with my needle. So I punch all of the marked dots. It's easy to do, but you have to be gentle but pushing quite hard at the same time. Once all the holes are ready, you can remove your sketch. Keep it on the side for guidance. Because it's a flamingo design, I've chosen bright pink thread. Now what you have to do is simply embroider your design. Start from the inside of the notebook and finish your thread with double knot. There is no right or wrong with this technique. You just go through the holes with your thread and needle. Do it gently to not to tear or wrinkle the cover. With some of the holes might be harder to go through as they got more of the thread pushed through. After you finish your design, cut the spare thread off and finish it with double knot. To secure it a bit more, I'm taping the loose thread. Because the inside cover doesn't look that great, I'm going to glue it to the first paper page. Because I love how the flamingo design came out, I've decided to embroider my second, smaller notebook. This time it's a cactus. I'm doing exactly the same thing which I've done with the first notebook. For more colorful effects, I've added some pink flowers and white spikes. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I love flamingos and cactuses, that's why I went for those designs, but you can embroider wherever you like. For macrame bookmark, all you need is 6 of 160 centimeters long pieces of cord. Fold them in half to get 12 pieces, each one 80 centimeters. At first we have to connect all the cords together. To do it, I'm using gathering knot. If you are new to macrame knots, I've made separate video where I'm showing how to make basic macrame knots. So go and check it out for better understanding what I'm doing now. I've taped my cords to my worktop for easier and tidier job. Separate your cord into 3 sections with 4 loose cords in each section. Starting with the first section, I'm creating square knot. I've decided to go with really simple design for this bookmark, so I'm literally using only 2 kinds of knots. For the first row, I'm creating 3 adjoining square knots. Going row lower, I'm creating only 2 square knots. This makes all knots connected together and gives shape to the bookmark. So it's really straightforward and really repetitive process. You're just making combination of 3 square knots in one row, then 2 knots and again 3 till you achieve the length you want. To finish it all, I'm creating another gathering knot. Then just cut straight fringe out from both sides of the bookmark. It was really simple design, but it still looks really good. It's nice and soft in touch. Of course, you can use different colors of the cord. I decided to go with the neutral shade. So this project is more like thrift flip or upcycling DIY because I've got this backpack from Carboot and I've only paid £2 for it. After I bought it, I've noticed a little hole at the top. I've also got these patches from Carboot. I've thought they are super cute and very well made, super colorful but more like vintage retro style. They go really well with the color of this backpack, so I've decided to use them in this project. At first I was placing these patches around to see where they look the best. Of course I wanted to cover this hole in the backpack, so I've placed one of the patch over it. The perfect place for ribbon was just under the zip on the small front pocket. To attach all these items, I'm using fabric glue. You can use hot glue or even sew it. I went for the easiest and quickest way. And as you can see, I'm putting this patch in the wrong way. I realized that after I've pressed it so hard to the backpack. Totally failed, but fortunately I found a solution for my careless behavior. So I removed it and glued it back the correct way. And to remove the glue from the backpack, I've used some cotton pads soaked in nail polish remover. It's good to put your hands inside the backpack to separate the layers of it, just in case you put too much glue and it will go through the backpack, gluing the other side of it. With this project, I just wanted to show you how you can play around with your basic old backpack and some favorite patches. This upcycling flip will definitely make your backpack unique. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, sometimes you don't need a lot to create personalized and unique items. All these projects were very simple and quick to make, so I'm sure you still got enough time to create them. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Good luck at school, enjoy your time with friends. There is nothing to worry about, you're just gonna be fine. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.